Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023, a golden opportunity to interact with Honorable Prime Minister of India once again. Let us see how to apply for Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 through online. It's very simple. Take your mobile phone and open your browser. Now simply type PPC 2023 and that's all. Click the first website. Now you will see Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 page. Read all the guidelines and instructions clearly. Now you have to log in. Click the login button at the top of the page. You will be having a number of options to log in. Let us log in with the OTP option. Now enter your OTP, click the submit button and you are login. You can also log in with password or social medias like Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn and GitHub. Now you can see Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023 participating page. In that, select Themes option. Now click the For Students tab. Totally, there are 8 interesting themes. Read them clearly. Now go to the next option, Guidelines for Students. Don't skip these guidelines. They will give you enormous information. Here is a special option, Participation of Students through Teacher Login. Students who do not have internet access, email or mobile may participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2023. After reading all these options, let us click Participation button. Here you can see 4 options, Student Self, Student through the Teacher, Teacher and Parent. Let us see how to submit an application through Participation through Teacher Login. Fill all the necessary informations one by one. Fill the student name. Here, email ID and mobile numbers are not mandatory, they are optional. Select the student's gender. Select the date of birth. Select the student's class. Fill the name of your school. Select which board it belongs to. Fill up your school address and all remaining things. Now let us move to the activity details. As we told earlier, the students will get 8 different interesting themes. Select your choice and describe the theme within 1500 characters. Then submit a question to Honorable Prime Minister dealing with your examination stress within 500 characters. When everything is finished, click Submit button and confirm your entry has been successfully submitted or not. Happy to say, upon successful submission of entries, all students shall receive a digital certificate of participation. About 2050 students, teachers and parents selected through competitions on MyGov will gifted with PPC kits by Ministry of Education. So what are you waiting for? Hurry! All the best!